In this video, I'm going to prove to you that energy manipulation exists, and I'm going to use your ability to do it to prove so. The last time I posted a tutorial like this comment was posted. So let's get right into it. So in layman's term, everything that's happening is happening right now. Because of this, you and I are co-creating this very moment together. Like, I literally mean my consciousness and your consciousness are connected and are creating this very moment as we speak. I'm going to give you instructions on how to manipulate the vapor coming out of the oil diffuser. And then at the 3-minute mark, I'm going to give you the opportunity to go ahead and manipulate the vapor coming out of the oil diffuser yourself. I know it sounds absurd, but as you see, this person had success doing it a couple times themselves. Also, these tips are coming straight out of my book, so I can guarantee they'll work. But anyway, let's get right into the instructions. In addition, I'll screenshot the page and I'll post it on my TikTok so you guys can actually use it as a reference. Alright, so to start out, we're going to go ahead and close our eyes and take just a couple deep breaths. You want to allow yourself to become fully present and grounded in this moment. Now, you're going to imagine the mist coming out of the oil diffuser as a manifestation of the air. At the 3-minute mark, you're going to direct your intent towards the mist. You're going to imagine it responding to your thoughts. As you inhale and exhale, imagine the mist changing its behavior according to your intent. You're going to want to experiment with shaping and guiding the mist using your intentions. So you want to visualize it forming specific patterns. You want to see if you can make it swirl, if you can kind of make it drift. Just see if you can make it respond to your thoughts and your intentions. Make sure that you're actually paying very close attention to the mist and use its movements as feedback on your success in connecting with and influencing it. Try and take notice of any changes in the mist behavior. I'll start posting more of these videos so you guys have opportunities to consistently practice doing this. Or if you have your own oil diffuser, the benefits of using this to practice is that you actually have a controlled environment that doesn't have a lot of wind or any kind of outside source to impact what you're doing. It might take time at first, but if you're patient and consistent, then you'll be able to see drastic improvements over your control over the air. These instructions can also be repeated with something like a stick of incense as well. If you guys have any success doing this, please let me know in the comments. I'd be more than happy to hear any feedback and any results that you guys get. If you guys have any questions or want any other specific kinetic tutorials, please let me know and I'll be more than happy to share what knowledge I do have. Peace and blessings, you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you guys have success in learning how to manipulate energy. I have faith. Also, feel free to check out my ebook.